All right, Julia and I are in Golden, Colorado on White Ranch Trail, and we're about to climb up the most horrendous of all the Front Range climbs. It's pretty much that for, what do you say, a mile and a half, 2 miles?
Yeah.
Suck. Go time. That's called Popeye fatigue. You got really strong under forearms. Shift, shift, shift. That got a little dicey. That's not rutted out at all. Okay, here's the POV footage that nobody wants. Going in hot. Something. Boss. Do it. Ride like a you. Okay. Watch out for the rebar. There's a couple pieces in here still. Yeah. It's pretty safe. There's a couple kickers in here too that they built recently. I don't know if you've seen those. They fly in the middle of nowhere. But I feel like the kickers just kind of go like into this chunder. Floop, 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 floop. You're plenty fast. And I have brakes, so it works out. Make good choices. Ugh. Sound effects, Julie. You gotta make them. Oh yeah. See, you kind of, if you went too far, you'd land in that other rock pile. This is why I have to go to the chiropractor. Oh, I gotta rock up my nose. Why? Woo! That was big. Yeah, my legs are tired. Woo! Jump it! That one's easier if you just go like send it through the center. I mean, don't say send it, but you know, it through the center. Oh! So far the pads are working out great. Ah! That's a lot of bushes.